Welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about woodworking, interior design, or smart home solutions, you're definitely in the right place. Today's video is all about creative wooden wall shelf mount ideas. Ideas that don't just hold shelves, but completely transform the look and feel of a space. Wall shelves are more than storage. They are part of the design. They define balance, symmetry, and character in a room. In this video, we'll explore different ways to mount wooden shelves, from clean floating systems and hidden brackets to bold industrial mounts and custom handcrafted solutions. You'll see how the same wooden shelf can look completely different depending on how it's installed. Some mounting ideas focus on minimalism, where the shelf seems to float effortlessly on the wall. Others highlight the hardware itself, turning brackets and supports into strong visual accents. These ideas are perfect whether you're upgrading your living room, organizing a small apartment, designing a workshop or studio, or working on a custom furniture project. What makes wooden wall shelves so powerful is their versatility. They work in modern interiors, rustic spaces, lofts, Scandinavian design, and even classic homes. Throughout this video, pay attention not only to the shelves themselves, but to how weight is distributed, how the shelf connects to the wall, how proportions affect the overall look. Even small details in mounting can make a big difference. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you'll get inspiration for your next project. If you're a professional woodworker or furniture maker, you may find ideas you can adapt for custom installations or client work. Take your time, observe the designs, imagine how these shelf mount ideas could work in your own space. And if you enjoy this kind of content, creative woodworking, smart mounting solutions, and interior inspiration, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. Let's explore these creative wooden wall shelf mount ideas and get inspired to build something both functional and beautiful.